Hello and welcome to Anderson the Fish. I'm going to show you how to download and install a font. First, go on ahead and go to the Anderson the Fish blog. I have a bunch of resources in here. This will be helpful for you. Go to andersonthefish.com/blog. And then once this loads, that was weird. Okay, once this loads, I'm going to open up Fonts Extravaganza. Extravaganza. I'm going to scroll down. By the way, it says 15 plus free font sites when really it's like, what is it, 37 now? Yeah, I just keep adding them in. So I just said plus because I was like, I'm going to keep adding things on here. Okay, I'm going to go to my favorite one, which is dafont.com. And I'm going to find a font that I like. Let's say I like Soulmate. Okay, and it downloaded. Downloads as a zip. I'm going to open this up. Wait for it. Ooh, there it is. It is a TTF. I'm just going to double click it, click install font, and let's see if it shows up. Now I'm going to search for it, scroll down, Soulmate. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, there it is. Soulmate, right there. So now I can open up, let's say, Pages on my computer. By the way, I'm using a 2012 MacBook Pro. Let's see if I have. Yep, Soulmate is right there, and boom. It is in use. So it's super simple to do. I like it because as soon as you install it, it's ready to use. Whereas on, I think, older model computers, that wasn't the case. One quick note is that it's really important to pay attention to what it says here, free for personal use. Now, they didn't really include a license. The license should say, hey, you're not allowed to use this for commercial use, or you are allowed to. So if you're going to use this to make a logo, or you're going to use it for your company, make sure that you check the license on it. Because if you don't, and someone catches you using it, they could technically attempt to sue you, potentially. So I'm going to open this one and see if it does have a license in it. It does have the license in it, yep. And so you'll see here, it's free for personal use and commercial use. Nice. And then usually they'll have like a thing like, if you want to donate to me, go to my PayPal or buy me a coffee on Venmo, which is pretty cool. So one quick way to download the fonts in here is like, I can just drag this into FontBook, which I like doing that. So I'm just going to drag this into computer, and it's going to, oh, cautious, okay, install checked. And I can just drag it in and do it that way. I do need to type in my password in my computer, and then it should install. So if I'm trying to download or install a bunch of fonts at one time, like sometimes I'll download 20 fonts, I can just open up, everybody's trying to call me right now, I guess. I can just drag all of them into FontBook, and then they will show up right there, which is really awesome. So let's see if Kickhater should show up. Yep, there it is. So literally I could just download a bunch and then just select all of them and drag them in. Now, when you do that, make sure that you're only dragging the file. Don't grab the zip. So you're going to grab this, and then you're going to drag it in instead. Otherwise, it won't know what to do. So if I were to drag this in, it's just going to kind of freak out and not be able to do it. Anyway, so that's that. That is how you download and install fonts. I hope this was helpful. If this video was, please like, comment, and share, and I hope you have a good day.